part 2 of Make Your Teaching Videos Come Alive with Windows 10 Video Editor. If you're new here, I'm Lori. Welcome to my teaching channel. In this video, I will show you how to make some title cards to make some really snazzy intros. I'll also show you how to edit photos easily. And finally, I'll show you some great resources I've found for importing videos and photos to enhance your own teaching video. Let's get right to it.
In the video editor, click on Add Title Card. You can change the background color by clicking on Background. Select one of the color options to change the color. Or, if you don't like the choices, you can create your own custom color. Click the plus sign under the words Custom Color. A color wheel will appear. Click on the desired area of the color wheel to select your preferred color. Adjust the shade with the slider bar underneath the color wheel. When you are happy with your color choice, click OK and then Done. You can also change the background color of a title card by right-clicking on the title card, click on Edit, and then click Background. Now let's add some text to spice up our video project. Select the title card on the storyboard. We know it is selected because of the purple line underneath. Click Text. Type the word or words you would like on your title card in the text box in the top right corner of the screen. I typed ducks. I love ducks. There are many font choices. Let's take a look. The default font is simple. The other fonts are Loved, Joy, Classic, scroll down to see more fonts, Adventure, Quiet, Boom, Cinema, Bold, Fresh, Poetry, Impact, Cartoon, Pixel, Electric, Chilled, and Fine Print. The location of the text can be changed also. I'll demonstrate with the Adventure font. Under Layout, choose the location for your text by clicking your text location preference. The duration of the appearance of the text can be adjusted with the slider bar beneath the sample display screen. You can preview the text appearance with the playback features under the display screen. When you are happy with the result, click Done. You can also change the entire duration of the title card. The default is 3 seconds. To make the title card appear for a longer or shorter time, select the title card on the storyboard. Click on Duration. There are some choices: 1, 2, 3, 5, or 7 seconds. You can also put in a custom time by typing in the highlighted box. The duration of the title card can also be changed by right-clicking on the title card. The choices work the same way. Now, let's edit some pictures. Add some pictures to your project library. We learned how to do this in part 1 of the series. Add photos to your storyboard. Select a photo to edit. To remove the black lines on the sides of the photo, click on the rectangular-shaped photo icon. Click Remove Black Bars. To rotate a photo, select the photo and click on the circular arrow icon. To add some movement to a photo, select the photo and then click Motion. There are many options to add some slight motion. Choose a motion you would like to try and click Done. Click the triangle play button under the preview pane to see the effect. If you add a photo that you don't want to keep, like I did, to delete the photo, right-click on the photo and select Cut, or simply click the trash icon. Photos can be rearranged by dragging. The duration that photos appear on the screen can be adjusted in the same way as the title cards. To preview your project from the beginning, click on the first title card, and then click on the triangle play button under the preview pane. Change anything you don't like. I removed the black bars from my photo, and I added some motion to another photo. Now I can preview my project.
When I first started making my teaching videos, I thought I needed to create or take pictures of every image that I wanted to include. Did you know that there are some amazing photographers online that share their work for free?
One of my favorite sites is Pixabay. It has a huge selection of media that you can include in your projects, royalty-free. I also love Pexels. This site also has a large collection of photos and videos. Of course, with all of these sites, even though attribution isn't required, it is a kind gesture to honor the artist by giving credit. If you can't find an image you would like on Pixabay or Pexels, Burst is another site with quality free photos. Finally, one more site that has some fun and unusual photos for free is Gratisography.
In the next video, I'll show you how to edit imported video clips, and I'll also show you some really fun special effects that are found in the Windows 10 video editor. Stay tuned for part 3.